and welcome back. It is now windy March 31st, and it is now second or third winter here. I'm not entirely sure. Last week felt more like spring. This week we're barely going to get above freezing. We did have a pretty good dump of snow on Saturday, although we did get just warm enough yesterday afternoon to melt a lot of it off. So forecast for this week, not looking great. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot of field activity. More snow in the forecast for the next couple days, but it does look like next week is supposed to be significantly warmer, so I guess we'll see how that forecast changes in the next few days. Well, none of my guys are seeding yet, but we are getting ready to do peas. There is going to be some spraying probably today on Tuesday while the weather is still nice. Get some Volterra and Authority down ahead of the pulses. Well, I'm out here in a kochia patch taking a look and seeing what's going on. It is a beautiful Tuesday afternoon now. Pretty much almost no wind. The sun's out. It is gorgeous. You wouldn't even know that it's supposed to start snowing according to the forecast tomorrow. But right now I'm just taking a look. There's a bunch of flickweed out in this field here. So flickweed, of course, is kind of a fall/winter annual. So this one could have germinated in the fall or during the winter here. It's actually, this is 2 plants here, but you know, this is almost 3-inch diameter here now. There's some smaller ones kind of here and there. You can see we got a little stinkweed leaf here. This guy here is about 1 inch wide. Here we got a whole bunch of kochia, still really, really small. More flickweed, about 1 inch here. So lots of weeds here. We're just gonna have to wait for some better weather to spray before we're seeding barley or anything into a field like this. Well, we're Wednesday now. We were -5 overnight. Today has a high of about 0. We have had snow showers on and off, but nothing's really building up on the ground, although there is a snowfall warning to the west. So not a whole lot going on in the field here today. Soil temperature is still so cold that even canola is not germinating yet, even the volunteer. So not a whole lot going on at the moment. Might be slow in the fields, but office and warehouse staff here at AgroPlus is very busy, as you can see by the state of Bay 2. We have a lot of product on the go this time of the year, trying to get stuff out to farms ahead of seeding so that you guys aren't in an absolute panic when you need it. Thursday here by Lethbridge, it is currently -1. We did get 1 inch or so of snow overnight, and it gets to be more the further west you head, with some areas reporting 5 to 6 inches. So let's see what else we can look at today. Well, the sun is now out and things are warming up. The snow is melting off, so things are looking a lot better today than they were. You can still see this is fall rye ground here. A lot of the fall rye even is still kind of struggling to break dormancy. There's been really very little growth or any sort of progress this week. But looking at the weather forecast for next week, I think we are going to see next week is definitely going to be a different case, and we'll see a lot more field activity. Don't worry though, I'm sure no matter how cold it gets, it's not going to get cold enough to kill off your kochia crop for the spring. Well, 'tis Friday now. It was a frosty one overnight with a low of -7, and we're currently sitting at about +2 with the sun out, so it is a nice day, although cooler than it looks. But I don't think there'll be a whole lot going on today, but the weather is certainly supposed to turn around this weekend. We're supposed to have some really nice spring-like weather next week, so we'll see you then.